AZ Tax Rate Lookup. The Arizona Transaction Privilege Tax Rate Lookup resource is a jurisdiction and transaction privilege tax rate lookup tool available on aztaxes.gov. The rate of tax for transactions varies by jurisdiction and business description. This tool helps businesses find the correct reporting jurisdiction and tax rate based on address information. Rate lookups may be performed two ways depending on the information available. Address searches are used when you know the location address. Map Locator functions are used when the location address is unknown or when the address search does not yield an exact match. After navigating to aztaxes.gov, select the AZ Tax Rate Lookup tool located under Resources. For an address search, begin by entering the location street address in the street text box. Press the Tab key or click in the city text box. Enter the city name in the text box. The zip code is optional and may not be necessary for an address search. When the complete location address has been entered, click the Search button. Information displayed in the boxes will indicate the jurisdiction to report the activity in. By selecting a business description, you can find applicable tax rates. Select the description of the business you are operating from the list. By selecting the description of the business being conducted, the user can find the correct business codes and tax rates for the location address. You can select the New Search button if you would like to look up another location. Using the Map Locator Lookup function. The Map Locator function is useful anytime the address is unknown or if the address search does not yield an exact match for the location. This demonstration will show an address with no exact match. The address is keyed in as in the previous demonstration. If the exact location of the address is not matched, the Map Locator function displays. To begin, click on the map in the general vicinity of the address. Use the Zoom button to focus in on the address. Clicking on the map allows you to move the area of the address to the center. It may take a few clicks on the Zoom button to pinpoint your location. As you continue to zoom in, the streets and details of the map become more visible and can be useful to help you navigate. Keep zooming in as necessary. Continue to center your location and keep zooming in as necessary. Continue to center your location and keep zooming in as necessary. When you can see the location of your address on the map clearly, you can move the pin to the location of the address. Click here to confirm when you have pinpointed your location. Information displayed in the boxes will indicate the jurisdictions to report activity in. By selecting a business description, you can find the applicable tax rates. Select the description of the type of business you are operating. By selecting the description of the business being conducted, the user can find the correct business codes and tax rate. If the address is not known, the Map Locator function can be used from the beginning of the search. Additional information on this and other topics is available on the Arizona Department of Revenue website at www.azdor.gov.